Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Scan the penguin's living area systematically. Look under bedding and inside toys. Penguins often stash objects near favored spots. Use a treat to encourage the bird to move, then inspect where it goes. Make sure to wear gloves and use a small flashlight to check dark crevices, and keep a magnet handy if the key is metal. This gets you immediate leads while keeping the animal calm and avoiding stressful handling. Once done gathering basics, observe the penguin for 10-20 minutes to track where it prefers to carry things. The why is simple: habit. Then, methodically search clothing pockets, cushion seams, and any crates or boxes the bird visits. Move slowly and talk calmly to avoid startling it. If the key might be metallic, run a gentle magnet near fabric edges and under furniture. If it's lodged in a narrow gap, use a soft, flexible retrieval tool rather than fingers to finish by confirming you have the correct key and placing it somewhere inaccessible to the penguin, like a high shelf or sealed box, because prevention matters. If the search turns up empty, set a simple bait station with a favorite toy or treat beside a camera or your phone to catch where the bird stores things. This reveals patterns. If problems persist, recheck overlooked compartments, ask another person to assist with fresh eyes, and widen the search area to adjacent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.